This interesting phenomena, having the clean light blink 7 times, was a very popular repair, and it still appears with some frequency.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I just happen to know that it's the control board because I put a heater in this about a year ago. But I'm gonna double check that the wiring and everything down there is fine first.
The blinking clean light or done light of 7 blinks indicates the computer has seen a failure in the heater circuit. That can be the wiring, the limit, the heater itself, or the control board power. It's almost always the control board, but occasionally it's the heater.
Wires are on, not burned off or anything.
So it's time to go up and check out the computer board and see if it's burned. You can also ohm the heater circuit from the control board pretty quickly. So we'll see what Reed does here.